How to save jobs in Indeed. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can save it to your bookmarks. First of all, open the application. So as you can see, I'm in my home page. Now here on the top, you can see the search bar. Simply tap on the search bar. Now here you can select for the job that you want to apply. So here I'm tapping on one, and now these are the suggestions available. Now you can scroll through it and select the one that you like. So here I'm tapping on one. Now as you can see, after reading the description, if you like it and want to save it for later, here on the right top there's a save button. Simply tap on the save button and later it will be saved in your profile. So it has been done. Now whenever you go to your profile, and here on the bottom there will be a list of your jobs that you have just bookmarked. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.